Need a quick snack that doesn't feel like a chore? This crispy, savory Pollack snack takes just 10 minutes. We're making two kinds, basic and butter grilled. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter with 1 teaspoon of pepper in the microwave for 30 seconds. Toss the Pollack in a bag with the butter mixture until evenly coated. Air fry both versions at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes while we whip up a quick dipping sauce. Mix 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of allulose, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, minced chili, and black pepper. After about 3 minutes, take out the buttered Pollack to cool, and let the plain ones cook for 2 more minutes. Now all that's left is to enjoy. It's crunchy, nutty, and just spicy enough to make you crave a drink. This is the perfect snack when you're a little hungry but don't want anything heavy. Keep it simple, keep it tasty, and enjoy your meal today.